I'm Marianne Benetti, and I'm in front of this beautiful dwarf white wedding hydrangea. Now this is a new variety. It's a Hydrangea paniculata, or we call them PG hydrangeas. They have pointed blooms. It's different from the old-fashioned round hydrangea that your grandmother grew, because this hydrangea takes full sun. It can also bloom in part sun. So what I want to show you how to do is how to prune them, because normally you're going to wait and you're not going to prune paniculata hydrangeas or PG hydrangeas until early spring. But when you see these gorgeous flowers, you want to enjoy them indoors, because after all, it is called white wedding. Maybe you want to enjoy them in a wedding bouquet. So what I want to show you what to do is, with your pruners, just follow the stem down and leave as much of this stem down here as you can, pruning just above a joint or a node, like that. So then when I enjoy this indoors, I'll remove these leaves first. Anything that's under the water, I'll remove the leaf, so it'll last quite a while in a vase. But this has another benefit. If you wait later on in the month, these are going to turn a little bit of a blushy pink, and they dry. Once they dry on the shrub, you can use these dried flowers. You can poke them into window boxes or container gardens. Use them to enhance your containers. Now, most PG hydrangeas get quite large. In fact, I have one at the corner of my house that I pruned into a tree, and they get very large. This you can keep at a small size, because what's going to happen in early spring, right when I see new growth coming up on the stems, I'll just take my pruners and I'll clip everything back by 1/3. It's simple. It's not a complicated pruning job. Just everything shortened up by 1/3, and then summer goes on, you'll have all these sprouts, beautiful cone-shaped or pointed white flowers. So look for this new variety. It's called White Wedding, and it is a Hydrangea paniculata, a dwarf PG hydrangea. It's Marianne Benetti with easy answers for great gardens.